Okay, so this is a really simple dish. You just want to add half a cup of oil and just bring it up to just let it heat up. You want to use a wooden spoon since the rice will stick to your pan. Don't use anything that is easily scratchable since it will damage your pan very bad. And as I'm recording the audio, I realized I forgot to add the rice. Show you how to add the rice. But for the sauce, you add in 4 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 onion. Or 1 onion, 1 layer of onion. You want to use preferably a big layer of onion. If you have the small pieces, it's fine if you add a good amount. Just try to get it to a big layer of onion. After that, you just add about half a cup of water, probably a little bit less, depending on how much you got. After that, you fry the rice until it's lightly brown. Unfortunately, I did not add this to this video since I completely forgot. Then you add in your sauce and you add 2 tablespoons of Knorr Suiza, which is basically a seasoning that honestly is very well and common in a Mexican household. Then you stir until it's nice and incorporated and wait for it to boil. After it starts boiling, after it starts boiling and it's properly mixed, you want to cover and just basically let it cook in its own heat. Basically, you're steaming and boiling the rice. This is how your rice is supposed to look. Honestly, I kind of forgot about it because I want to go do something else. But preferably, it should look like this beforehand, a little bit boiled over. And then you just want to stir it around a bit. Try not to stir too much since it will turn into a like porridge type mixture thing. So after that, you just cover and let it turn off the heat and let it boil in its own heat or water, whatever you want to call it. After that, you will be done. It's done. After that, just check on the rice. It should be done and you should have some Mexican rice.